Today I wanted to do a quick review for you of this NeilMed SinuFlo Ready Rinse bottle, and this is for doing sinus cleansing or nasal rinses. And what this is good for, you've probably heard of a Neti Pot. Well, people use this bottle the same way they would use a Neti Pot. They put saline rinse in it and pass it through their nasal, and I'm going to show you exactly how this one works here. We're going to look really quick and see why somebody might use a nasal rinse with a bottle like this directly from NeilMed's little booklet. So let's read a few quotes directly from NeilMed. What a sinus rinse is good for is natural relief of allergy, sinus, and cold symptoms. It's great for daily nasal moisturizing and hygiene, and it's extremely effective for removal of mucus and other nasal irritants. In addition, just gathering some information from other places, it removes inhaled irritants like dust and pollen, promotes nasal and sinus drainage, and helps reduce swelling of the nasal membranes, and moisturizes dry nasal passages. So in a general sort of way, saline rinses promote nasal health. So when you get the NeilMed Sinus Rinse bottle, it's going to come with some little packets that look like this. These are the saline solution, and this is a combination of sodium bicarbonate and sodium chloride at USP grade. And based upon what I have seen from other packets, it's probably some ratio of about 2,300 milligrams of sodium chloride to about 700 milligrams of sodium bicarbonate. And so how it works is you fill this bottle up to this line right here with either distilled water, filtered water, or water from your tap that has been boiled and then cooled. You don't want to put hot water in this. And once you've added the water, you just break open one of these little packets and empty it right into the top. And so you'd put it right here, and you can see there's this straw that goes down in here just like this. And the only thing I don't like about it is it doesn't go all the way to the bottom. You can see that it's not quite reaching the bottom, so it leaves about 5% of the water inside the bottle when you're done, which I thought is a little bit inefficient, but it's very easy to use. I usually use it in the shower because I think that that's the best way to do it. It's no mess at all, but the bottom line is you just put it in one nostril and you gently squeeze it. And as you gently squeeze it, the water comes in through one nostril and comes out through the other, and you squeeze it till about half the water is gone, and then you repeat with the other side. And so you can literally do this over the sink just like I'm showing you here. And I just prefer to do it in the shower because it's less messy. So my personal experience is using a saline nasal rinse like this has really improved my nasal health. It feels softer inside, and it just generally feels better. If you've never used something like this before and you try it for the first time, you're probably going to be pleasantly surprised at the results. And so there are two ways you can do this. You can use one packet, and one packet would be considered an isotonic solution. And in this case, an isotonic solution is a solution basically that has the same saline content that your body has, and that would be one packet. If you wanted to make it extra strong, you could make it a hypertonic solution by putting 2 packets or more. I wouldn't recommend more than 2 packets personally at a time with the 8 ounces of water, which is filled up to this point here, and that would be a little less pleasant experience, but it would have a more significant effect. You'll probably see a lot more mucus drainage, for example. But for most people starting off, just 1 packet is good enough. So the bottom line is that I really think that these nasal rinse bottles and the saline solutions that you put in them are great, and they can really help you to feel good in a different way than you might expect, and I recommend them. So I really hope you liked this review of my NeilMed Sinus Rinse bottle. If you did like it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and share this video, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.
Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't